Ayaw ko po kasi ma-disappoint si Joey, Dad.
What makes you think you'll disappoint her?
Wala po. Paano kung hindi ko siya masundo? Mahati. Paano kung hindi na ako gusto, Dad?
Kakasimulan niyo lang. Break up na agad iniisip mo.
Sorry, Dad.
Look, it's different in every relationship you're in. Wala namang manual para dyan. Besides, you guys are both young. Just relax. Have fun. Huwag mo na isipin yung mga ganyang bagay. In the first place, we started a relationship because you make each other happy. Yun mo na ang isipin. Eventually, you both will find out.
The first was easy, but the part that was not. So that's the end.